Hi guys, welcome to Modsters Automotive. Hello guys, it gives me great pleasure in welcoming you to the Modsters YouTube channel, and I am Shanmugam. I'm the founder and the creative head at Modsters Automotive. Modsters Automotive was established in 2013, okay, with the vision of building custom cars or tailor-made cars according to the customer's requirement. So here we do not try to sell any ready accessories or parts. We try to build them, okay, from scratch as a concept car. Okay, so we do all our fabrication, paint, upholstery, the light fabrication, everything in-house, okay, at our facility. So now we want to take you through the journey of all the ups and downs we face in these projects. So no project is easy, okay, so there is a lot of problem solving involved in every project which we take. Solving that and completing it and how it all comes together is the most satisfying part of any build, okay, and so we want you to be a part of that journey. This is our first video in this series, and it would be great to hear your feedback. You can leave it in the comments below. Today we will be discussing about a very special C-Class, Mercedes-Benz C-Class project. So this project, was brought by our old customer. We have already executed a Benz for him, which is a W124 E-Class, which we did, the paint job, the body kit, and the interior complete makeover. So he has come back again with the C-Class at W204. So this project has, a very big importance to him, because this was previously owned by his dad and sold, and now he has found this again and got it, and he wants to do it up and keep it as a remembrance for his dad. Okay, so this made us very excited to be a part of this journey for him, which adds so much value, okay, to his this thing, and remembering his dad. So this project is similar to what we had done for his 124. So the scope of this project is like we are going to repaint the car from silver color to the Obsidian Black. We are going to do the AMG Kit makeover for this car, and also we are planning to do a diesel exhaust system for this car. So coming to the car itself, it is a C-Class, a W204. The most amazing thing about this car is it's a manual stick, okay, which is very rare find in India. Okay, so it is this makes the project all the more exciting for us. We were in a thought process of how to do this, what is the end product the customer wants. So his idea towards the project is he wants something very black, okay, so his whole idea is black. So we had a discussion where he even wanted to smoke the headlamps, so they don't look very chrome and out after we completely paint the car black and dechrome all the parts. So we had a discussion with the customer whether we would go for carbon fiber or forged carbon fiber, and we are leaning towards the forged carbon fiber because it's something new and it's a catching up trend. Okay, so we wanted to go with the forged carbon fiber look. The car is like look to be in a very good condition, but as we progressed, it was not. Okay, so it had a lot of issues with panel gaps, poor alignments of doors, and very poor previously executed paint jobs, okay, especially on the right hand side of the car. The car had actually, I think, met with some kind of an accident on the right hand side, and the people who had previously worked on it have not done even a average job on it, because actually do any dent work or tinkering jobs on the damages. Rather, they simply put paste on top of it, close the dents and just repaint it on top. So this is always a problem, because with our temperature conditions in India, the more amount of paste you put, it starts cracking because of the heat. Okay, so generally paste is just used to finish your tinkering job, okay, with a smooth fine refined surfacing. So it is not just to put and fill your gaps or dents or holes. Okay, so that is basically how most of the people try to do a quick job, okay, without actually doing a proper tinkering job. We had a lot of issues with the fender and the bonnet, because the bonnet was actually cut because of the damage, and it was not welded or sorted out properly. So this usually what happens is, if there is a poor paint job previously done, it's very difficult to achieve 100% perfection when you do it again, because these mainly depend on the quality of products which were previously used, okay, and how they have executed it. So at this point, this is our biggest concern. We had to do an extra bit on the right hand side of the car to actually sort out all the previously done mistakes, the damages, dents, and give 100% finish for the complete car's look. Since we are painting black, this is a very important key step to get all these sorted out, because black is a color which does not forgive you. It always shows you the naked truth. Okay, you cannot hide anything. You cannot hide panel gaps. You cannot hide a poor tinkering job, a poor paint job. It is a unforgiving color. Okay, so you have to do it perfectly. If not, it is your customer will never be satisfied. Okay. So we had a roller coaster ride with getting the finish right for this car. We had done multiple primer jobs and still had a lot of problems with the primer peeling up, but we sorted them out, okay, and got the car painted. In every project we also learn a lot, okay, as the process goes and how we progress with it. So this was a big learning curve for us also. So once we started installing the AMG's front bumper, that is Kit's front bumper, we realized that the grill is not actually for this model at all. Okay, it was for the facelift. So what we realized was there was a lot of gaps when we closed the bonnet. Okay, so what we decided was, we started looking into pictures online, and then realized that this grill does not fit this model at all. Okay, and then we requested the customer to find the original grill which came with the car. Using that grill only, we could actually properly align it, okay, and reduce all the gaps which we were getting when we closed the bonnet and near the headlamps, okay, and the grill. So it's always not that the facelift model will have the exact same grill or the bumper and it will fit properly. So you need to be very careful when you swap parts for a facelift car. That's what we also learned during this project. So the customer was blown away after seeing the car. He was really happy, because this is what he had actually envisioned, and we are really happy that we could bring it to reality. So that's what we do here. So this is all the cars which we build are like unique. Okay, we want to give the customer a one-off custom car, and give him whatever he wanted, okay, rather than trying to fit an accessory or trying to push something which is already existing. We want to take it a bit further than that and give a unique product, a one-off to the customer. So he's he proudly drives it every day, and gives an identity. Okay, so that's what we do at Modsters. And also he gave us a promise that he will pick up a SLS AMG soon, and we'll be working on that as well. I would also like to thank the 35,000 subscribers and followers on YouTube to give us so much support. Okay, because we have not posted any content as content. We have just tried to summarize with the pictures and videos, but still your support has been immense. Okay, and especially for the Contessa video, which has almost crossed over 2 million views, and we get a lot of enquiries and phone calls from everywhere across India because of how the video has gone viral. Okay, we really appreciate your support. So thanks for watching, guys. This is our first attempt actually to explain the projects and the difficulties we face and what process we follow to get the job done. So I hope you guys like this, and your comments and your feedbacks are most welcome, and we will try to improve this as we go further. Thanks again for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for more exciting custom car content. Thank you.